Hello.
Hi! Wow! Happy weekend, my G! Can you?
Hi today.
I'm good. Wow! Can you see teacher clearly?
Ah, I
Okay, can you hear me well?
yes, I
Oh,
heard. May I hear you clearly?
okay. Or you can say, my dear, I can hear you. Okay.
Because I learn Korea. I learn Korean. Uh, three is phrase in Korean. Difficult, different from English. So I mix between two languages.
I see. Okay, but how are you today, my dear?
I'm good. I'm
Oh.
good.
Well, so my dear, did you eat your lunch?
Ah, I ate.
Oh, wow. What did you eat, my dear?
Ah, I I ate rice with and
Rice?
yeah, with chicken.
Wow, chicken.
Yes,
Wow. Okay, so who cooks your food, my dear?
yes. I cook it myself.
Oh, wow. So you're a chef. Chef
Yeah,
me.
yes,
You are chef me, right?
that's it.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Chef
right.
me.
Oh,
Chef
right.
me. You are chef?
Ah, I just cook basic food.
Oh, basic food. Can you tell me the basic food that you
Um,
can cook?
example for is I think noodle
Ah,
and
ramen
uh,
noodles?
it's Vietnamese food.
Oh, Vietnamese food. Is it a ramen noodle, my dear? A ramen noodle? Is it a ramen noodle? Ramen?
Ramen.
Uh-huh. Is it a
Um,
ramen noodle?
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like ramen?
Um, yes,
Why?
I don't know. I think this task don't available for me.
Oh, but do you like spicy food, my dear?
Yes, I love spicy food and uh, street food.
Street food?
Yes, I
Oh,
I so like street food. They
oh,
have cake and candy. Um, Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Wow. It's a soft drink, right?
Yeah,
Soft drink?
yes,
Oh, I see. But you need to refrain yourself from drinking too much Coca-Cola.
oh, yes,
Wow.
but I don't like it. I just like Coca-Cola.
I see. But you need to drink plenty of water, my dear, instead of Coca-Cola.
Oh, I because Coca-Cola uh don't good are good for health.
Yes.
So I just drink a little.
Oh, yes. Very good. That's good. But do you like vegetables?
Um, I vegetable I I don't like it.
Why?
Uh, I don't often I don't often eat vegetable
hmm Can you say it one more time, my dear? Vegetables.
vegetable.
Yes, very good. But why, my dear?
Such as um, hmm,
But do you have a favorite fruit? Oh, vegetable?
I I like carrot carrot.
Ah, carrot. Wow. Ooh. How about, oh, my dear, Miley or Millie, is it your other account?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Do you have
Ah,
an account?
no, no. Ah, in yes, is because I plan to use in my computer, so I call you with so I call you for you.
Ah, okay, so
But
that I
but
can
now
call you.
now I use my phone.
I see. Okay, but my dear, aside from carrot, do you know bitter gourd? Do you know that? Bitter gourd?
No, I don't know. Actually, I just vocabulary about vegetable. I don't know. I don't know that.
Vegetable, can you say it one more time, my dear? Okay, let's search bitter gourd. I think you know this. Oh, this one, my dear, look.
Yes. Oh,
This one, do you
hey,
know?
I had it.
Do you like that?
No, no, no. I had it because
Why? Is it?
because it's so bitter.
I see. That's why it's bitter gourd because it's bitter.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't like.
Okay. But but I think you like this one, my dear.
Ah, no. I
Oh,
don't like.
but do you know this vegetable?
I know just vegetable, but I don't know. I don't know. For eat what? For eat what?
Okay, can you say it one more time, my dear?
Oh, I know this vegetable as Vietnamese, but
I
I don't
see.
know in English.
Ah, okay. The English name of this vegetable.
Yes, yes.
Ah,
Oh
okay.
no.
But do you eat this kind of vegetable?
It's
Like this one, my
egg,
dear,
egg,
eggplant with egg.
eggplant.
With uh-huh. Egg. This one, my dear.
No, 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 no. I
You
don't
don't
like.
Why?
No, you know, be with me. The order, the food, COD, COD.
COD? Is it a vegetable, my dear?
It's
Vegetable? Oh, CO. I see. So you like this one?
it's
Ah, wow.
I often eat with egg.
Okay. Wow, it's the first time that I've seen this kind of vegetable. Wow. Okay, how about this one, my dear? Lady finger.
Hmm?
Do you like this one?
Oh, yes. I often eat with the barbecue.
Oh, wow. I see. Do you dip it with sauce or condiments like vinegar with chili?
Mm.
Vinegar,
No, no. Uh, uh, Tea.
peach?
Bean.
I see
Bean.
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 With bean? This one, my dear?
Yes. Yes.
I see. Wow. How about string
Uh,
beans, my dear?
Bean.
Mhm.
Yes. It is.
Do you like this one?
Yes. I like it.
Oh.
And in Vietnam, so many have is I think my price uh there there that price so cheap. So
Expensive?
I don't know no cheap cheap.
Ah, cheap. Okay, the price is cheap. And
Uh,
you can plant these
oh yes,
vegetables, yes, in your
yes.
garden.
In the countryside, farmer is plant plant many.
Oh, but do you have a hometown in Vietnam, my dear?
Yes. Oh, my home, my mother plant it too.
My mother used to plant.
Yes, because
Oh.
it's so easy to plant.
That string beans?
Yeah.
Oh,
Uh,
wow. That's why you like string beans?
uh, drink. No. I
Not
just
string
eat drink.
beans.
I don't like drink.
But as potato, you like potato, right?
Potato. Potato.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I know.
I see.
I
I think
often, hmm,
you like
uh,
potato and carrots.
I often cook as soup.
Ah,
Soup.
with soup.
Yes.
Oh, wow. I see. Okay, but how about cabbage, my dear?
Ah, so light.
Ah, you like that? Oh,
I know this word, but
uh,
I don't know pronunciation.
I forgot the other one. I think it's snow cabbage. I'm not sure if it's snow cabbage. Ah, yes, I think it's snow cabbage. How
Um,
about this one, my dear?
I know. Uh, people often eat with hot pot.
Ah,
You
wow.
know, you know.
Oh, yes, my dear. Wow, that's good. But you need to eat vegetables because it's healthy for your body.
Uh,
Okay, how about fruits? Do you like fruits?
Cool. I like mango.
Ah, I
But
see.
it is green mango, green mango,
Ah,
not yellow mango.
With chili sauce or salt? Green mango with salt or with chili sauce?
Oh, actually, oh, green, green.
Oh, green mango.
Yes, I like it
Uh,
because I feel like this tart is so delicious.
oh, I see. That's why. But how about something like apple, banana, orange? How about that kind of fruit, my dear?
Oh, strawberry. I like strawberry.
Ah, strawberry. Wow, good.
Yes.
But sometimes strawberry, but sometimes strawberry are kind of sour. Strawberries.
Strawberry.
Uh-huh. Okay, so let's continue our discussion, my dear. Okay, now, wow, we have here another picture. Can you describe what can you see in the picture?
And the first picture.
Yes, my dear, the first picture.
The first picture. I think friend. Right? I'm
Okay.
not sure.
Okay, but first, can you describe what can you see in the picture, my dear?
Yes. Very, very fine.
Uh-huh. They are smiling.
Fine. And friendly. Right?
Ah, wow, friendly. Friendly?
Mm,
What do you think
yes.
is the vocabulary word, my dear?
Uh, mm, it's I think kite.
Okay, let's see if your answer is correct, my dear. Okay, so wow, very good. Nice. Correct, my dear. Okay, so can you make a sentence using the vocabulary word friendly?
Uh, the hotel staff is very friendly and helpful.
Oh, wow. Can you say it one more time, my dear?
Uh, mm, my best friend is friendly.
So I I heard about staff are friendly and kind, right?
Uh, uh, listen this word. Ah, uh, my friend has a friendly smile that that make people feel comfortable.
I see. Yes, very good. Wow, friendly smile.
Uh,
Oh, just like you, my dear, you have a friendly smile. Wow.
uh,
Okay. Next, my dear. Oh, wow. Look. What can you see in the picture, my dear?
Shopping. Shopping.
Shopping. Okay, can you say it one more time, my dear? Shopping.
Um, uh, shopping is happy or funny.
Ah, happy. Happy or funny? Oh, what are they holding, my dear?
Mm,
It's a shopping
Um,
A
um,
shopping bags?
Something fast.
Uh-huh.
I have to describe this picture.
Wow.
Mm,
Okay, so what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
mm, I'm not sure. I think it's happy, funny, no, easygoing.
Okay, I think your answer is correct. Wow, easygoing. Okay. Do you think if you will if you will go to the mall and then you will go shopping, do you think you are an easygoing person?
Oh,
Do you
mm,
think?
I have no idea.
For example, my dear, you have
Um,
you you for example, you have money, right?
ah,
And then you will go to the mall with your friends.
mm,
And then
ah,
you will go shopping. just like what
ah,
can just like what you can see in the picture. Do you think you are an easygoing person if you go shopping?
oh, I understand.
Okay. Do you think?
Um, I think any possible when I have a easygoing friend. Uh, I so I can feel comfortable
Mhm.
when I play together. When
Oh.
we play together. So uh,
Did you
I don't know.
understand my question, my dear? Did you understand my question? No.
Mm,
Did you
no,
get?
no, no. Teacher, can you say that?
Did you understand the question?
Just question. Can you say the question?
Okay. For example, you have a money and then you want to go to the mall with your friends. And then you decided that you will go shopping, right? Do you think are you an easygoing person if you will go shopping? Just like just like what you can see in the picture?
I think I can. I think I can
Okay.
pay the bill for my friends.
Mm. Okay, so can you make a sentence using the vocabulary word easygoing?
Uh, um, mm, uh, it's very easygoing and uh, so we get along with people
Mhm.
or with everyone.
Yes. Okay, very good. Okay. Or you can say, my dear, I have an easygoing friend. Hmm. Instead of my dear, we should use or we should say an. Like for example, an easygoing, a easygoing. Do
Uh,
you know the difference between the two, my dear?
Between
Between
easygoing and
yes, between an easygoing and a easygoing. Do you know the difference?
I don't know. Or I think easygoing uh after now. Before now, right?
Hmm. Okay.
And
Okay. Do you know vowels and consonants, my dear? Do you know vowels?
I know.
Can you tell teacher the five vowels?
Uh, I think easy going and easy going and very easy going.
Okay.
And,
These, yes, these are the five vowels, my dear. A, E, I, O, U.
ah,
Okay.
U E O A I.
Yes, very good. A, I, O, U, or A, E, I, O, U. Right?
Oh,
These are the vowels. And
oh, oh.
consonant,
It's N, right? And easy going and
yes, very good. Very good, my dear. We use an if the next
and
word is or the next word starts with the vowels.
hmm. Oh,
For example, my dear, an apple,
an apple.
an egg,
Oh,
a boy.
a boy, a girl.
Very good. A girl, an educated person.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
so do you get the point, my dear?
Right?
Uh-huh. Do you know the difference between a and an?
Hmm.
Is it clear?
Uh, uh, this I think meaning is the same. It is true one,
Mm-hmm.
but and go with Rockwell,
Oh, very good.
Dora,
Wow,
Dora.
vowels.
Um, uh, the consonant,
Yes, consonant.
consonant.
Good. Wow. Okay, very good, my dear. Good job. Okay, so this time we have here another picture. What can you see in the picture, my dear?
Hmm, this uh, thing. Hmm, I have no idea.
What is he doing, my dear? Can you tell teacher what's he doing?
He, he is
Yes.
uh, hand up and up. He is handing up.
Okay, very good. Or he is raising his hand.
His,
And his right hand, do you
he,
think is he singing?
no, no.
Okay, no, very good.
Where?
Okay, what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
I don't
Can you guess the vocabulary word?
think phone.
Hmm. Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Wow.
Only
It- yes, honest. Do you know honest, my dear?
I know.
Hmm.
But
Okay.
then I think this picture don't know is villain.
Okay. Do you think is it suitable for the picture? Honest?
Mm, uh, teacher, can you say again?
Do you think the word honest is suitable for the picture? No. No. Okay. If you are honest, if you are an honest person, do you tell lies, my dear, or truth?
Oh, I know too.
Oh, I see. So, can you make a sentence using the vocabulary word honest?
I think it's important to be honest with my friends.
Can you say it one more time, my dear?
Mm, as an example, right?
Uh-huh.
As an example,
Okay.
um, he gave me an honest answer to my question.
Wow, very good. He gave me an honest answer.
Yes, to my question.
Oh, very good, my dear. Correct. Okay, so do you think is it important for us to be honest, my dear?
With my friends,
Do you think is it important
to be
if
honest,
if
honest
we do you think is
with
it important?
my friends. As an example,
Yes, my dear, your example is very good. Your example is correct. Yay. But do you think is it important to be honest?
mm,
Yes or no, my dear? Do you think is it important if we are honest?
I think it's so important.
Mm, correct. But why, my dear?
Uh, I think um, mm, I think people don't like person. L
Yes.
I E L
I
I E.
lie.
Yes,
Lie.
lie.
You can say, my dear, people don't like dishonest
Oh,
person.
this honest because is they respect.
Yes,
I think
dishonest. This is the opposite of honest.
oh, I think
Uh,
people respect it.
okay. How about the next picture, my dear?
Picture uh, accountant.
Oh, wow. Accountant. Let's see if your answer is correct. Wow, very good. Okay, so can you make a sentence with your accountant?
He was an accountant at uh, in in a law company.
Oh, very good. He is an accountant in a large company.
Uh,
Okay, very good. Next, my dear. Oh, wow. Phrases. Okay. Ooh, can you read the example sentence, my dear?
Work hard.
Oh,
I first. Okay. Um, I
can you read first the example, my dear?
I have to I have to I have to work hard to have my manager uh, to have manager to uh, mm, I
It's
I
okay, my dear. Can you
I
first
don't get
read? Can you please read the example, my dear?
it.
One, my dear, in the slide. He works.
It was very hard.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Wow. Okay. So now, my dear, can you make a sentence using the phrase work hard?
I I have to work hard to prepare our task.
Oh. Yes, you need to work hard. But you are doing great. Yes, I appreciate your work hard. Okay. Next, my dear. To be ready to something.
Uh, I'm ready. I am ready to work hard to be successful.
Okay, so can you make a sentence, my dear?
Uh, are you ready to leave the airport?
Oh, wow. Very good. Okay, so next we have here a short paragraph. My dear, can you read and answer the questions?
Yes,
Okay.
um, Peter and he, 27 years old. I am an accountant for a Japanese company. Hometown is in Da Nang City, but now I live and work in Ho Chi Minh City. I have lived here for 9 years. Many people say that I'm friendly and easygoing. I'm also very helpful. I'm ready to help anyone in need. Uh, so I have many, so I have many friends and many people love me so much. My hobbies are listening to music, reading books, and traveling. I read books whenever I have a free time. I also love traveling, so I travel once a month. Traveling helps me learn many new things. I play many sports such as football and swimming. I play football every afternoon and I go swimming with my friends at the weekend.
Okay, wow. Thank you so much, my dear. I like your pronunciation. Good job.
Thank you so much.
Okay, can you say it one more time, my dear? I
Uh,
am an accountant.
I am an accountant.
Yes, wow, very good. Okay, so now, my dear, can you please read and answer the questions?
What the Peter do?
Mhm.
Uh, Peter is an accountant for a Japanese company.
Oh, very good. Next question, my dear.
Whether he lives in work now. Uh, he is he lives in Da Nang City, but now Now he he is working in sorry, just, he lives in Đà He, no, no, no. Now, he, he is living and working in Ho Chi Minh City.
Wow, very good. Correct, my dear. Okay, but what
Um,
is okay? Can you read the next question, my dear?
that is his personality. Uh, his personality is friendly and easygoing.
Okay.
The next what are his hobbies? His hobby is listening, and his hobbies are listening to music, reading books, and traveling. Next
Very.
one, which is the place that he plays, and mm, he uh, he plays many sports such as football and swimming. He plays football very afternoon and go swimming with his friends at the weekend.
Okay, very good, my dear. You answered it all. Good job. And you were able to answer me in complete sentences. Very good. But you
Uh,
said his personality is friendly and easygoing, right?
That's
Okay, can you say it one more time, my dear? His personalities are.
his personality are friendly and easygoing.
Yes, wow. Very good. Okay, good job, my dear. Yay. So this time let's have a practice, my dear. We have
Oh,
here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 questions. So can you please read and answer the first question, my dear?
that's what's your name? How do you spell it? My name is M Y.
I C M Y. I thought it's M I, my dear.
The
M
next
I.
one, right? M I. No, M Y.
Okay.
Because Facebook uh, don't accept why. So I have I have I
I see. Okay, so from now on, you are me.
that's right
MY, right?
why.
Okay. Wow, it's new. I've learned something today. Okay,
Because I will accept why.
uh,
Don't allow. I
MY, me. Okay, me. So, my dear me, where is your hometown?
my hometown is Vietnam.
Hmm, Vietnam, that's the name of your hometown, my dear.
My hometown is do you know Thái Bình? Mm,
Taiping?
hometown is Thái Bình province. Province.
Oh,
Yes.
wow. So, is it peaceful in your hometown, my dear?
This hometown is just a small city.
Small city. So, is it peaceful
Oh,
living there?
peaceful, like
Mm-hmm.
as cool and comfortable.
Oh, wow. But which one do you like, my dear? Uh, Hanoi City or Taiping?
Actually, I think Hanoi is the best environment to promote myself
Mhm.
or to enjoy it. I think in a peaceful city is better than big city.
Okay. Wow. So you like living in a peaceful area?
Yes, I think I will live in peaceful city.
Oh, wow.
I
But
I I want to live I want to live near my home.
I see in Korea.
Yes. No. I I just studied abroad for uh 4 years. So I come back Vietnam to to find work. I work because
Mm,
I want to live with my family.
I see. So you will go back to your home in Vietnam
Yes,
after 4 years, my dear?
yes. After graduating, I will come back to Vietnam.
Oh, I see. So you are in your first grade, my dear, or first year?
Yes, now I am freshman.
Ah, freshman. Okay. But are you living in Hanoi when you were in Vietnam, my dear?
Yes, I used to live in Hanoi 2 years. Yes,
Ah, 2 years. But after 4 years, you will go back to your hometown in Taiping. Taiping.
yes, yes, yes.
I see. Okay. But is there a building or company there where you can work after your graduation?
I don't know. I don't have plans in the future.
I see. It's okay, my dear. Don't stress yourself about that. Just enjoy your life for now. Okay, just enjoy. Next, my
Uh,
dear, where do you live now?
Now I'm living in Korea.
Oh, where in Korea?
Uh, I I am studying and living in Daegu, Korea.
Ah, Jeju Island. Is it Jeju Island, my dear?
Mm. Daegu,
Jeju.
Daegu. Daegu.
Oh, Island. Jeju. This one. Ah,
No. Jeju, no.
not Jeju.
Daegu. No, this D D
T
A
A
E
E
G
G or J, my dear?
E Q
J or G?
G
G, okay. This one?
D. The first word D. That D.
D, okay, D. This one?
That's right.
Ah, Daegu or Daeju? Daeju.
Daegu.
I see
Daegu.
Daeju. Oh. Is it the northern part of Korea? Is it in the southern part of Korea?
Oh, south.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, yes, south.
I see. So that's why it's cold there right now, right?
This is same countryside, so it's so peaceful environment.
I see. Wow, peaceful. Okay, but do you work or study, my dear?
Now I am looking and studying.
Mm. Wow, you're so studious and hard working. Do you know studious, my dear?
Sorry, teacher. Again.
Stud- studious, do you know that word? Studious. Okay,
Would
uh-huh, I'm going to type it in the chat box, my dear. This one. Do you know that vocabulary?
serious, serious, right?
Do you know that, my dear?
No. So,
It
I
refers to someone who is diligent in studying or learning.
uh, I think hey, I don't know. If
You
I think if everyone want to eat almost yourself, sure they can go to Seoul because it's big city to eat. So I think many opportunity.
Oh, wow. But you are studious, my dear. Meaning, studious, meaning you are diligent in studying or learning.
Uh, I, mm, I think study learning. I think
Mm-hmm. Okay,
there
I'm
is
going
there.
to I'm going to mm, I'm going to share my screen about this one, my dear. Okay, you are studious. Hmm, this one. Studious refers to someone
Oh,
diligent in studying or learning.
I think.
Okay,
Um,
and my dear, you are studious.
no, no,
You are studious.
no.
Mm.
I quite lazy.
Okay. Because you want to study and learn at the same time, my dear. That's why you are studious. Okay. Next, are you busy with your work or study?
Oh, I think I am so busy with my work. But
Hmm.
because I have to do work from 6 p.m. to 1 a.m. or 2 a.m.
Oh.
I I have to spend more time, many time, for working.
I see. So you are a hard working person. Hmm. Yes, you are, my dear. Okay. So what are your hobbies, my dear?
Yes, my hobby is collecting, collecting cute things,
Listening to,
or oh, collecting, collecting
collecting.
cute things, cute things,
I see. Okay. Or
or drawing picture when I have free time.
I see. That's good, my dear. How about sleeping? Is that your favorite
Yeah,
hobby?
yeah, yeah.
Yes. But I think that's the kind of hobby that we need. Sleep.
Yes. If uh, when I so tired, I feel so tired. I feel sleep.
Yes, of course. You need to take a rest.
Yes,
Mm, take a rest. Okay, but what do you often do at the weekend, my dear?
as a can. I often play badminton with my roommate.
Oh, wow, badminton.
In the afternoon, I will play I will play together.
We will play together.
As I and my roommate will play together.
I see badminton. How about
Oh yeah.
volleyball, my dear? Volleyball or other sports?
Mm, I can sport,
Mm-hmm. The
sport.
sports, my dear.
So I just know play badminton,
I see, like volleyball or basketball. Do you know how to play that?
basketball, volleyball. Oh, I don't know. I don't know to play
Me too, my dear. I don't even know how to play badminton.
because yes, sport so difficult. Um, because it needs a tall person.
Yeah.
I can't.
You can't?
I can't.
Wow.
So sad.
But I think, how about football or something like soccer?
I just watch sorry, I just watch football with my friends. If my boyfriend, no, my friend is playing. When my friend play football, I can watch with my friend.
Oh, but you don't like playing football. Okay. Next, my dear. Oh, do you play any sport? Which sports are you good at?
I don't know.
Oh,
I
badminton, right?
badminton, but I just play formally.
Ah,
Normally, sorry, normally.
normally. Okay. It's okay, my dear. At least you know how to play badminton. Yes, it's good. It's a nice hobby. Okay. But about your family, my dear.
Uh, mm, yeah, my family has six people. My mother, my mother, uh, my grandmother, my parents, uh, two young, two young sister, and me.
I see. You have two younger sisters?
That's two young sister and me.
Oh, so you don't have a brother?
So, my family don't have brother.
Oh, but do you want to have a baby brother?
No, 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 no. It's uh, the last person is sister, young
Mm,
sister.
okay. But do you want to have a baby brother, my dear?
I don't know.
Oh, why?
I think, I just like sister or girl.
Oh, I see. Okay, but what is your personality, my dear?
My personality is silent person. think I am silent person because I say quiet to um I I don't know. I don't never say with other person.
Oh, can you say it one more time, my
Never.
dear? I have never.
I have never.
Mhm.
I don't have never. What?
Or I have never, my dear. Instead of I don't never, you should say I have never.
I have never.
Okay.
Uh, I have never with stranger.
Mm. Okay. Are you the eldest, my dear?
Mm, eh, but uh, with my best friend of my family, I do friendly and easygoing. Because
Mm.
I I willing to I willing to I willing to pay and for my best friend or my family. Uh, um, uh, mm, I have never seen with I have never about
I see. But are you the eldest, my dear? Eldest meaning you have younger sisters. You are the eldest.
younger sister, two younger sister.
Ah, okay. So you are the eldest, my dear.
Yes, yes.
Eldest. Okay. So you did well tonight. Oh, you did well today, my dear me. You were able to read the short paragraph. You were able to answer me in complete sentences. Very good. Yay. You did great today, my dear. And I can see your progress. Yes, you are doing good. So we will see each other again next weekend, my dear.
Thank you,
Yes,
teacher.
and you need to take care of yourself. Don't forget, take care of yourself, my dear.
You.
Mm-hmm. Take care.
Take care. I know.
Oh, do you know take care, my dear?
I know.
Take care of yourself.
Oh, take care of my. Oh,
Okay, you need to take care of yourself and enjoy your weekend. Bye bye, my dear.
have a nice day.
Yes, enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye bye.